April 15th. Finally gonna get these pieces riveted on here, down on the belly. When they built these, they used yellow zinc chromate on the inside. And then they did a mod back here and they painted that area black for some reason. Got a few new parts here made out of 32 thousandths thick 2024 T3. And then after I formed them, I Scotch-Brited them and etched Aladyne and yellow zinc chromate. So here's the back rib, new piece I made. Let's see how it fits in there. Just like it should. Okay, here I got Clecos installed, temporary fasteners that go in a rivet or screw hole. You pull them out and put rivets in there as you work the piece into place. Use a lot of those on aircraft to put everything together without actually putting the rivets in it until you get everything fitted and drilled and everything like it needs to be, and then you pull these out one at a time and put the rivets in. So the rivets are solid shank rivets. You put an air hammer on the factory head side and you smash the other end with a steel bucking bar. And I use tungsten bars most of the time. That rattling you hear all the time is the wind shaking these doors and shaking the windows. This hangar was built in 1942. Getting a little stormy looking out here. Notice the windsock is showing the wind on the ground here out of the east, but this storm is actually coming out of the west and going that way. So the wind upstairs doesn't necessarily blow the same direction as it does on the ground for you non-pilot types that might not have known that. Oh good, now we got a tornado warning. What next? Big old hail's hitting the hangar. That guy wanted that Conquest in. He waited a little too long to say anything. So they'll be calling the insurance company. Looks like somebody's hangar is all over the place here. I can't believe those two airplanes are still sitting there, especially that movie. Somebody's hangars all over the ramp and the runway out here. That's probably the T hangar I have in RV6 in. Yeah, it's just getting a little close. I hope that's not the T-hanger that my RV6 and my pickup truck and a bunch of other stuff is in. Yeah, it looks like it might be. It's not the first tornado this hanger has survived. Yeah, that's the T-hanger that my stuff's in. Yeah, Jim, Rob Grosvenor here. The wind got your hanger, took the top off of it. It's all over the airport. Well, it took the roof off my T-hanger. It's all over the airport. The ceiling was still in place, so none of my stuff, it's getting wet, but it's still there. The power's off, but your T28's safe. Hey, your old hangar's well ventilated for the summer now. Got a skunk out here checking things out. He was probably in one of them storm drains.